we have decided to give brand new vehicles to all the 76 police stations, because these are the first point of contact for the public. And the police not only do their duty as police officers from law and order point of view, but they are also involved in a large additional activities in emergency situations, sometimes even in health situations. They are there to serve the people. So we feel that better infrastructure and logistical support at the police station level is required, and hence we'll be giving a brand new vehicle to all the police stations, along with also computer and complete IT setup, because a large number of police stations do not have these setups, and obviously these are basic requirements to ensure that they're able to do their work properly. Also, on a selected basis, we have decided that cranes and ambulances will be given to the high traffic zone districts and accident prone districts to enable them to serve the people better. So cranes in order to obviously lift the vehicles that could be were met with an accident, and ambulances to carry people in case immediate response is required and other ambulances are not there. We will give ambulances even at the police level so that immediate response can be given if and when required. Hence, we have also started the process where on a case-to-case basis and a phase-wise manner, we will be taking up certain housing projects for the district level at the constables, SI, DSP. All of them require large housing complexes. So therefore, this issue has been taken up, and we will definitely be moving forward on it. Another important step that we have decided on today is that we strongly feel that the police force has been contributing immensely to the state and its people, and we strongly feel that we need to recognize them as we have been doing for many other sectors, like we have done for entrepreneurs, we do for musicians, we are doing for our different artisans. So we strongly, and sports persons, so we felt that there needs to be also this similar appreciation being shown to the police force, and hence I've decided that we will be coming out with the CM's award, the Police Medal Award, and the second will be the CM's Disaster Response Medal.